First bucket, then snowball fall, then rainbow fuzz. I've got something in my bucket, in my bucket, in my bucket. I've got something in my bucket. I wonder what it is. Oh. Ooh. A shower curtain. A shower curtain to cover the floor. A stool. Somewhere to sit. Ooh. A comb. Oh. A sheet to cover our clothes. A pair of clippers. Ooh. For cutting hair. In the bucket. In the bucket. That's it. Haha. We're gonna need the clippers next. Bucket has finished. Next, snowball fall. Paper. Oh, snowballs in a row. Clippers. Plug it in. Turn it on. Off. 10 snowballs in a row. Oh! How many will fall? I don't know. 1. Ooh. 2. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 snowballs in a row. How many will fall? I don't know. Four snowballs in a row. How many will fall?
I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, gosh. 1 snowball left to go. Will it fall? I think I know. Ha! No snowballs in a row. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Snowball Fall has finished. Next, Rainbow Fuzz. Ooh. Oh, so furry. First, Siobhan's turn. Turn it
On.
on. Ooh. Ooh. Bit more. Siobhan's turn has finished. Oh, Felicity Lemon's turn. Oh. 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 Whoa. Felicity Lemon's turn has finished. You can sit down. Ocean's turn. Oh. Ocean's turn has finished. Sit down. Oh, Rainbow Fuzz. Rainbow Fuzz has finished.